felt stuck choosing between a phone and a tablet for gaming? Phones are portable, but the small screen can hold you back. Bigger tablets give you more view, but after a few matches, your hands start begging for a break. So which one actually gives the best gaming experience? Red Magic thinks it has the answer with the Red Magic Gaming Tablet 5 Pro, launching globally as the Red Magic Astra 2.
Big thanks to my tech partner over in China for providing this footage. I really appreciate the support in making this video happen. Hey everyone, Stella here from techiestreet. If you're into staying updated with the newest gadgets, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our latest tech content.
It packs a 9.06-inch high-resolution OLED display, a blazing 185 Hz refresh rate, and promises flagship performance even during marathon gaming sessions. But does it really deliver? Let's find out. Right away, the design screams Red Magic. You get the transparent back, futuristic mecha styling, and that signature esports look. But here's the surprise. This time, the company has removed its famous built-in cooling fan. Instead, it uses a new cooling system with a vapor chamber, liquid metal, and true water cooling. We'll see how well it performs later, but being the only mass-produced tablet with real water cooling definitely makes it stand out. Comfort matters just as much as power, and this 9.06-inch size hits a sweet spot. It's much easier to hold in landscape mode than larger tablets, even during long gaming sessions. The clean, full-screen front is still here, and although the size is almost unchanged, the weight drops to just 363 grams, making it noticeably more comfortable for daily use. One thing that's still missing is the 3.5mm headphone jack, which some gamers won't like. The good news, the dual USB-C ports are a huge upgrade. You can charge while using USB-C headphones, and connecting external monitors or gaming accessories is much easier. For serious gamers, that's a really useful improvement. Now let's talk about the display. Most of the specs remain familiar. You still get a 9.06-inch OLED panel with a sharp 2400 by 1504 resolution, while the bezels and screen-to-body ratio stay almost the same. In testing, it reached 728 nits manually, dropped to 3 nits in the dark, and hit 1,165 nits outdoors. That's more than bright enough for comfortable gaming almost anywhere. But the real star is the 185 Hz refresh rate. That's incredibly rare on a tablet. On paper, it means smoother animations, quicker response, and an edge in fast-paced FPS games where every single frame counts. The tablet keeps its side-mounted fingerprint scanner built into the power button for fast unlocking. But a 185 Hz display is useless without serious power behind it. That's why Red Magic packs in the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 Red Core R4 gaming chip, Synaptics S3930 touch controller, and Cube Sunny Day Game Engine 3.0. The result? A massive 3.83 million Antutu score. Sounds impressive, but how does it perform in real games? First up, Honor of Kings. At the highest graphics settings, the tablet averaged 145.6 FPS, with an excellent 1% low of 143.9 FPS. Power consumption stayed at just 5.07 watts, while the back reached only 36.6 degrees Celsius. Smooth, efficient, and surprisingly cool. Next came CrossFire, one of the few mobile games that fully supports 185 Hz. Here, the tablet delivered an incredible 179.2 FPS average, with a 39.1% low. It consumed 5.52 watts, and the rear temperature peaked at only 39.3 degrees Celsius. Even after long gaming sessions, it stayed comfortable to hold. Normally, compact gaming tablets struggle with heat and performance drops, but this one surprised us. Thermal camera tests showed most of the heat stayed in the center of the back panel. That means the built-in water cooling system isn't just for marketing. It actively keeps performance stable, while the areas where your hands rest stay much cooler during extended gameplay. The tablet also impressed in Delta Force. In Fire Zone, it averaged 165.2 FPS with a 113 FPS 1% low, using 6.75 W of power while staying at just 39.6 degrees Celsius. Switch to Dark Zone, and it stayed just as strong with 165.5 FPS, a 126.6 FPS 1% low, and the same 39.6 degrees Celsius temperature. Fast, smooth, and cool. Now for the real test, Genshin Impact and Honkai Impact 3rd. In Genshin Impact, at max settings, the tablet averaged 60.9 FPS over 20 minutes, with a 50.8 FPS 1% low, 4.32 W power draw, and a cool 36.9 degrees Celsius temperature. In Honkai Impact 3rd's Golden Hour stage, it again delivered 60.9 FPS with a 55.2 FPS 1% low, 5.02 W power usage, and only 38.7 degrees Celsius. The best part? Both games stayed close to a locked 60 FPS with no hidden throttling. That proves Red Magic's water cooling plus VC cooling is a real alternative to the usual fan-based system. Another cool bonus is the built-in PC emulator. It's not new, but on this 9.06-inch display, it feels much better. During testing, Cyberpunk 2027 averaged 49.14 FPS. It's not perfect yet, but running Night City at nearly 50 FPS on an Android tablet is seriously impressive. Battery life gets a small boost too. The battery grows to 8,300 mAh. In a 3-hour mixed-use test with 4K recording, reading, video streaming, CF Cloud, and Honkai Star Rail, it used only 38% of the battery. Charging is equally impressive. A 100-watt charger comes in the box, and the tablet supports 80-watt fast charging, reaching 100% in just 49 minutes. The rest of the hardware is solid too. You get a 9-megapixel selfie camera, a 13-megapixel rear camera, upgraded 12/22/7 stereo speakers, and dual X-axis linear vibration motors for a more immersive gaming experience. As for pricing, the Red Magic Gaming Tablet 5 Pro starts at 4,999 yuan in China, around £556 in the UK, and roughly $736 in the US. So, is this the ultimate gaming tablet? It strikes an excellent balance between a smartphone and a full-size tablet, making it ideal for competitive gaming. The only real downside is that very few games currently support the 185Hz display. Hopefully, more titles will catch up soon. What do you think? Drop your thoughts below, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech reviews.